There's one. There's another. Got a big one. Yes. Man who carries a net and never uses it.
There we go. Nice.
It's bigger than the one I got. Man, there is no better time to make a comeback. What is going on, everybody? It has been a few months since I filmed a fishing video. And today is opening day of trout fishing season here in Pennsylvania. And hopefully we are gonna catch a whole bunch of fish. Is that you, Bob?
Yes, it is. Yes, there's this guy. Eastern?
Yep.
Yeah, listen, I didn't even know you were doing that, dude. I swear to God, I'd never seen the little camera. I'd never knew that who you were. My buddy calls me. He said, yo, Bob. I said, yeah. He said, Christ almighty, he said, you're the Pennsylvania Eastern trout fishing guy. He showed me the video. I said, oh boy. Got my autograph? You know, dude.
Yeah, it's good to see you too.
Man.
I was hoping I was going to see you here today.
Yeah. As long as I touch this rock, after 50 years of standing here, I'm good. You look like you put some weight on over there.
I guess so.
I remember you being that, I thought you was a lot skinnier. You know? These guys fishing.
Everybody around the bends there is fishing.
They're already in the water?
I told him, I said, it's not 8 o'clock yet. And the one guy's like, you talking to me?
Yo, Bo, you in the water?
Yeah.
Are you fishing?
Yeah.
8 o'clock.
There's about 10 of them already there fishing.
I told them too, I don't care.
I did tell
I'm
them.
76 years old, they want to fight, well, I'll make a phone call.
I don't think anybody's going to be fighting over fish.
Last year, I think I cut out of here around 2, 3 o'clock, you know.
Oh, you had a good day then.
Yeah, I did. We probably by the end of the day, you know, I got 6 here, then I went around a bed, I got a couple up there, and then we started. Once that afternoon came for a couple, it's that hole down there.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
My tag, Eastern PA fishing.
Yeah, but some didn't say Sam underneath all this.
I don't put my real name on it. Not too
know.
many people know my real name.
You know, well, I do now.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
It's always good to carry some napkins with you. Especially when you get up in age and when you get older, don't fart. Unless you're in the bathroom. It gets rough, dude. But you know, for 76 years old, man, here I am. I don't have no qualms about life, dude. You're here. I just threw this, I just snapped my goddamn rod.
You found my spot.
You found your spot. I just snapped my rod, Jimmy.
Get out, really?
Honest to God. It's a good friend of mine, Jimmy.
Jim?
How you doing?
Sam.
Sammy?
Yeah.
I wasn't going to say your name.
8 o'clock.
Go ahead, get in. I'm still breaking up. Don't mind me.
Oh, there's a big one here. There's one. Ah, Jesus. There we go. There's a little one. Definitely wasn't the big one. There's another. Might be a little bigger.
Another one?
Yep. Yeah, there's some trout right here. Nice one. Oh man, that is a real nice one. Got a big one.
Oh, there you go. I see it. Woo, look at that. That's nice, dude. Walk in the bed, though. Ooh, that's nice fish.
Gonna be the catch of my day.
Thank you.
I don't think so. Nah. Yes.
I can see your heartbeat in your cheeks.
I know, man. I think that's the one I saw out there. Oh, man.
Would he flash on your spinner?
Yeah, he came up for the smaller one that I was using, and then he stopped chasing it. So I just switched off, came right at it. Hook's all tangled in my net.
What do you think, 15?
Yeah,
Definitely 15.
just about. It's a good one. That was a good one.
The fox hunt, but it won't take till it's through the fox,
Yeah.
tally ho, and all that stuff. That's great woman though, man. Money that she had, and she was just like us then together.
Another little guy.
That's all I take because I'm keeping a lifestyle, you know? But I'm thinking of like, yeah, that's what I said, man, that's still. Hey, stop the dead over there.
They're all in there.
That's all right, there's the
Right in that run. This one's decent. Trying to not get my hook caught in my net. Seems impossible. And there that one goes. I think 5 or 6. There's another. There's another. I was casting like all the way up into the rapids, but it's starting to get a little crowded up there. Yeah, I got pushed out of that little run there.
I was say, everybody must see you catching it, but they must know where it gets around.
Got him?
The one that went after your lure. The one that was been sitting down here?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Power feed.
There you got him.
I watched it disappear.
Man who carries a net and never uses it. There you go.
Yeah, little guy. You have to put him in a corner. That's pink.
Yep. Yeah, I like the little
Yeah,
pink
that's
ones.
right. I
The
got
hot
one.
pink color.
Yeah.
It is getting warm out.
I'm gonna grab to you, Sam. If you
Yep.
want to net him for me.
I'll net him for you.
Yeah. I think that's the one you've seen.
You on the worm, so?
No, power bait, dude. You should be getting tired. There we go. Nice.
It's bigger than the one I got.
That was it. You sure?
I think so.
There we go.
Yep.
Nice, huh?
Nice trout, Bob.
Nice. Yeah.
I'll show them to you, so.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I did.
I'll be looking for that post. People that like to fish and like to, one thing I do like to do is talk. What are you laughing at, dude?
I might head upstream a little bit. I gotta go home and take a shower and get ready for work.
You gonna make it? And listen, Sam, it's always a pleasure, my friend.
Bob,
Always.
very good to see
it's
you.
Good, yes. Very nice to see you again.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you, Jim.
Yeah, Jimmy's a good man right here.
Good luck fishing and
Thank you.
everything else.
Yeah, happy Easter,
Good luck
guys.
with them lights.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. I'll be looking.
I'll be looking for you guys.